Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the image into an editor that has a clone or inpainting tool. This lets you remove pixels without breaking the original. Duplicate the background layer so you can revert quickly. Once done, zoom to 100-200% to inspect edges and the code's contrast. This tells you whether cloning or content-aware fill will blend better. Make sure to set a soft brush and test on a small area first so you know the right brush size and opacity. Now you remove the code using inpainting or content-aware fill. This automatically reconstructs nearby texture from surrounding pixels. You should work in small strokes and vary brush size so the algorithm matches edges and lighting. If you see repeating artifacts, switch to the clone stamp and sample from multiple source spots to rebuild complex patterns. Once the visible squares are gone, refine edges with a soft healing brush and adjust opacity so the repaired area matches the original noise and tonal balance. Finish by refining color, grain, and sharpness so the patched area integrates seamlessly. Add subtle noise if the image has film grain. Once done, flatten a copy to toggle visibility and check for repeating patterns or halos that give away the edit. If you still see artifacts, revert to the duplicated layer and repeat targeted cloning, or try an AI inpainting model which can better predict complex textures. One key troubleshooting tip: if filling fails, work in smaller sections and sample from multiple directions to avoid obvious repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.